Okay, gang, I'm here at Saddlebrook Farms, and I just wanted to show you really a quick, fantastic idea for a raffle. So we know that when we have these grand openings or big open houses, typically we like to incentivize the prospects coming in by raffling off something, and it's a way where we can get them to give us their name, phone number, address, and email. So what I wanted to show you here was what we're using, the Saddlebrook Homes grand opening raffle ticket. What they did was they went on Word and they searched for raffle ticket, and this came up. And then all they had to do was actually just put in the details, and then they just cut them, because there's many that are on an 8.5 by 11, and they just cut them up, but they look like tickets. But that's only half of it. The other cool thing with this idea is that when someone comes in, we tell them, hey, enter for a chance to win the free TV, and then they fill it out. We take it back from them, and we instantly, on an iPad, enter their name right into Prospect Manager. So we have Gloria here. Gloria is our helper today, and what she's doing, if you can see here, she's on her iPad, and as prospects come in and we grab their name, phone number, address, and email, she's just taking them immediately and on the iPad just punching them right into Prospect Manager, and there we go. She's busily working away. So remember, you want to first search just to make sure they're not duplicates, and then of course enter them if they're not. Just a great tip, I think. Doing this on Word, searching for it and making it look like an actual raffle ticket is such a great creative idea. And then I love using the iPad and entering them right in. All right, gang, thanks.